Picked up a new toolbox, so all this stuff's gonna have to move that way. Try to make this as quick as possible. We gotta move this stuff. Oh, it's light.
Trabants.
Trabants? This one might work. For a bicycle inner tube. Alright, now it should be good to move. Oh look, I found my nailer.
Where to get? If you say
Well, I'm probably not going to say hold on because it's pretty well. This is cleaned up a little. That's actually isn't that heavy. Now, oh, this stuff.
like violin by chords or
Back under the table. So. Oh. Yeah. My dusty hand.
more like
Cool.
hand.
Smell that?
Ooh,
I think a stink beetle just went off in here.
I seen it. It went that way. In case you wanted to eat it.
I'm just gonna push this forward to get out the way. Yep, I pushed it forward all by myself, y'all.
Not even your slave.
Oh, this is a big boy. Alright, let's get all this stuff. Oh, these are Bowers. I've thrown these guys in there. This manufacturer. ATV tire. It's hot glue on me. Where'd it go? That's on my finger.
Nummy.
Open wide. Alright. This guy has got just that works. It'll be good. I don't want to worry about any of that stuff. Because it's got wheels. Yeah. Yes. This is a Scout. For all my no subscribers, I picked this up for the low price of $3.99. Got it running. There was a problem with it, but we got it off for today. Now we gotta get this Brian. Say hi, Brian. Alright, y'all. Pushing it up in the garage. Now my tools. God, you stink, Scout. Oh my God. Here, give me a hand. I said, give me a hand. Alright, you pull, I'll push.
You're not even pushing.
Let's see what this is for. Shock you. I feel bad for if anyone's using headphones, but I know no one's gonna watch it. Here, I'll push my knees. This toolbox. Oh, I don't know what's in there. Tools. Oh my god. This does not have to be that heavy. Are you grabbing the small one? Snap on. We got a stack on. Yeah, look at it. So it's a stowage compartment. I bet you I can fit my TTR in there. Here. This small box actually.
Crazy work.
Good work, team. Good job, Daniel, for doing all the work.
What? Denial.
There we go.
Still haven't found your channel.
Don't exist. Oh look, it's the only one that has foam in it. I need to go to her, right? Get some of this foam for every single one. And get a whole lot of tool organizers for these. Look at this.
How did you look?
It's got a pegboard right there.
Wasn't there something on it? Yeah.
Screwdriver. We got drills for gauges. My dad gave me my well, it was my brother's, my no good brother, and it was my grandpa's toolbox. So it's behind the carport where the where my javelin is, or it's not a javelin. It's not a javelin. It's an Amex. It's an Amex. All right, let's go. I think I know which one it is. It's bright out here. We got tractor parts. Yeah, thank you for all my my viewers who gave me 100 and some likes and 99 or 988 views and 1 like.
Dream on.
Yeah, I'm basically a popular YouTuber.
How much did this get? 8, but I just uploaded it yesterday.
I really don't care. So, yeah, this is the AMX. So that motor's gonna go into it. That's a 302. 304 actually. Next time you best remind me or else I'm gonna smack the crap out of you again.
Yes, sir.
That's a 360. We need to move this gas tank.
Why?
Get that out there.
Do you have to?
Yes. I put fuel in this a couple months ago. And it's horrendous in there.
Well, obviously.
Well, there's rust in it, and I put fuel in it. I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple months and get rid of all the bad corrosive stuff. Yeah, let's move this, and then we'll get that out.
I got a boo-boo.
Look who knocked my fender down. The cam of shame. Everyone, tisk him in the comments. AMC parts in general, like, you can't, well, I mean, maybe for like an Eagle or a Jeep.
A jet.
Someday I'm gonna.
Japanese.
All right, grab that handle.
Handle.
All right, I would walk like this with it. I'll do it like that.
What handle?
This handle, you belingity dingly. This is a big old toolbox.
Not really. Oh, I mean.
I guess mine is bigger. Just gently knock it over. Careful. Don't spill it. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. I got someone stick to my leg. Here. What was that? Spider web. Let's see what's in here. This. That's garbage. We got all this stuff. Concrete tools, a wrench. You could use that. Glasses. I got one of these. I have no idea what that is.
Today's video I got 2 average white.
Alright. I hope it fits. Will it fit?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's perfect. Literally.
What are we hitting the Dwitty?
Perfect. Good job, team. No, give me a proper handshake. Thank you for a little bit. I could have used this yesterday when I was cleaning up my scalp from all the. Oh, I got a laser level now, boys. You best watch out. All the ladies are gonna come for me. No, I get it.
Okay.
Mini screwdriver. This is actually what this is. It's a screwdriver. Pocket 4-way screwdriver. Sick. I'm screwdrivering. Yo. If you tell me again. Hold on, we got. Hold on. Grainy. Yeah, like, what do you rate the tool setup now? What do you from this in the tool cart to this bad boy?
I rated a 0 out of 10.
Just because you
For
have
dirtiness.
just because you have light up toolboxes doesn't mean anything.
Just because I have a whole freaking garage, half of a garage full of toolboxes.
Well, our garage is
Is a toolbox.
I mean, knee deep to tools, y'all. Knee deep to TTRs, y'all.
Like chest deep.
If you touch me again, I'm gonna smack the crap out of you, boy.
That's okay.
That is good. But yeah, I'm gonna. This, I don't know what they were doing or thinking. This is. So brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new.
What's this do?
Oh, that's a cool saw.
What about this?
Alright. Please like and subscribe. I'm homeless and poor, living under a car right now.